Assalamu alaikum Stenos, वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल शॉर्ट हैंड विद स्टेनोज। स्टूडेंट्स, अगर आपको हमारी वीडियो पसंद आती है तो वीडियो को प्लीज़ लाइक कीजिएगा और चैनल भी सब्सक्राइब कीजिएगा। रेडी फॉर टुडेज डिक्टेशन। 1 2 3 स्टार्ट। द गवर्नमेंट आर comma where the provision of section 4 have been invoked comma the armed forces are evil armed forces comma as the case may be comma subject to the specific or general order of the government in this regard for a period not exceeding 3 months and after recording reasons thereof, comma, issue order for the preventive detention of any person who has been concerned in any offence under this act relating to the security or defence of Pakistan or any part thereof, comma, or public order relating to target killing, full stop, kidnapping for ransom, comma, and or the maintenance of supplies or services, comma, or against whom a reasonable complaint has been made or credible information has been received, comma, or a reasonable suspicion exists of his having been concerned, comma, for purpose of inquiry, provided that the detention of such person, comma, including detention further period after 3 months, comma, shall be subject to the provisions of Article 10 of Constitution, full stop. The inquiry under subsection may be conducted by a police officer not below the rank of Superintendent of Police or through a joint interrogation team to be notified by the government comprising a police officer not below the rank of Superintendent of Police and officers of other investigation agencies, and the powers of the inquiry officer will be vested as per section of the Federal Investigation Agency, full stop, Act 1974, provided that where the detention order has been issued by the armed forces or civil armed forces under subsection, comma, the inquiry shall be conducted by the joint interrogation team comprising members of armed forces or civil armed forces, comma, as the case may be, intelligence agencies and other law enforcement agencies, comma, including a police officer not below the rank of Superintendent of Police, full stop, the provision of subsection and shall remain in force for such period as may be notified by the government from time to time, provided that such period shall not exceed 2 years from the commencement of the Anti-Terrorism Amendment Act, 2014, full stop, para, the detainee shall be produced in camera before the presiding officer of the court or in his absence before the district and session judge or the magistrate appointed under the regulation, full stop, 2009, comma, within 24 hours of his detention, comma, and before the presiding officer of the court if and when any extension in the period of detention is requested, full stop, during inquiry the concerned police officer not below the rank of Superintendent of Police or equivalent officer of the law enforcement agencies or the members of JIT as the case may be, comma, shall have all the powers relating to such, comma, arrest of persons, and seizure of property, and other relevant material connected with the commission of offence, and shall have all the powers as police officer has in relation to the investigation of offences under the code or any other law for the time being in force, provided that the detainee shall be kept in a detention center so notified the government, and the presiding officer of the court or the magistrate, as the case may be referred in subsection, shall have the authority to inspect the detention